Welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'm going to guide you through a simple and effective way to delete your browsing data from the last week on Google Chrome. Whether you're looking to protect your privacy or just tidy up your browser, this process is fast and hassle-free. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open Google Chrome. To start, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar. Step 2. Access the menu. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. See those 3 vertical dots? That's the menu icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Step 3. Navigate to clear browsing data. From the menu, locate and click on the option that says Clear Browsing Data. This will open a new window where you can manage what information you'd like to delete. Step 4. Select a time range. In the new window, you'll notice a section labeled Time Range. Click on the drop-down and select Last 7 days. This will ensure only the browsing data from the past week is deleted. Step 5. Choose what to clear. Take a moment to review the options below. Make sure the checkbox next to Browsing History is ticked. You'll also see options for cookies and cached files, but for this tutorial, we're focusing only on Browsing History. Step 6. Delete the data. Once you're ready, click the Clear Data button. Chrome will begin deleting the browsing history from the last 7 days. Depending on the amount of data, this may take a few seconds. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your browsing data from the past week. Regularly doing this not only helps maintain your privacy, but also keeps your browser running efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell for more easy-to-follow tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and